your side, smiles you can't deny. No big words, no fancy show, just a feeling we admire. A little hope, a little light, keeping hearts alive. It's a simple kind of love in the air tonight. Nothing loud, nothing rough, just feels right. It's a reggae Christmas time, calm and true. Peace is all we're looking for, me and you. Mistakes, we let them go. Time to ease the soul. Every hand that's reaching out means we're not alone. If the world feels out of tune, let the rhythm guide you through. One slow beat, one clear mind, leave the rest behind. It's a simple kind of love in the air tonight. Nothing loud, nothing rough, just feels right. It's a reggae Christmas time, warm and real. All the things we truly need are what we feel. No gold chains, no diamond shine. Love is free, love is kind. Share a smile, share the time, that's the gift tonight. It's a simple kind of love, soft and strong. Reggae plays, the night goes on, all along. It's a reggae Christmas time, pure and slow. Peace within, good vibration, let it flow. Reggae Christmas. Simple love, a revive. Above begin to glow. Feel the love, feel the vibe. Christmas time, hearts alive. Street lights shining red and green. Smiling faces everywhere seen. Family close, holding tight. Warmth and love fill up the night. Under the same sky tonight, we share the same feeling inside. No more worries, no more pain, only love remains. It's a reggae Christmas night, peace and love shining bright. Hold my hand, don't let go, let the good vibration flow. It's a reggae Christmas time, open hearts, souls alive. Simple joy, pure delight. Reggae Christmas, feel it right. Candles burning soft and slow, memories like fire glow. Let forgiveness lead the way. Leave the heavy past behind today. No need for fancy words. Love is stronger than we heard. When we give from the heart, that's where the blessings start. It's a reggae Christmas night. Peace and love shining bright. Hold my hand, don't let go. Let the good vibration flow. It's a reggae Christmas time. Open hearts, souls aligned. Simple joy, pure delight. Reggae Christmas, feel it right. If the world feels cold and tired, let this rhythm lift you higher. Reggae speaks of unity, one love, one humanity.